If you don't have mesh zipper bags in your life, you are truly missing out, because there are so many different uses and I have them all over my house. Pretty much anywhere you could use a Ziploc bag or just even a pouch, these are going to be what you need. So these were gifted to me from the brand, but it's always Okama's Root. So I've actually bought these before, and currently I'm using it to keep track of like all my tax documentation. So I'm not really going to show you my tax documentation, but just know that these, especially the larger ones, they do fit like large documents really well. So I find it's really good for kind of keeping those separate and like even filing them away like this. But what you're gonna find too is I love these smaller bags as well, because these are great for like, I can store all my kids' stickers in these and really kind of keep that neat and tidy. But what I also love it for is to like makeup brushes, stuff like that. I love it for cable management because I always have so many cables and they're everywhere. I love it for pens. I have it for my kids' toys. I love it for board games too, because you can take like a full board and kind of fold it up and put it in here and then put all the pieces, and then you're really like consolidating everything and making it really nice and tidy. So if you're looking for a way to really consolidate things, these are really going to be something that you really find so useful for cord management, for life management. I use it for cosmetics. I use it for kind of papers, my kids' projects. I use it anything you can use a folder to. This is what you're going to use. So you need these in your